Where's the free coffee? Or tea? I prefer tea. Where's the free tea? Oh! Hello. Who are you? Oh, you must be that viewers we told we were supposed to get. Yes. So, what's my job again? Oh, okay. So I'm supposed to introduce you to our new series. Our series is Walking Through History with GR Family from the Oakcraft thing. That's their name, right? Oh, it's Oakcraft GR Family. That's our YouTube page. You can come check it out for some more amazing videos. Oh, okay. So I'm supposed to tell you of our new series where we do Walking Through History. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk through history, looking at certain times and moments in history and analyzing them. We've already done Season 1 and Season 2, walking through World War I and World War II. I really hope you enjoy it, and I really look forward to you watching it. So remember, hit that bell icon, the subscribe button, and share with all your friends and families. And remember to watch our other videos and subscribe! Woohoo! Yeah, bye.